friends, do you have a bunch of random cheese left in your fridge that you don't know what to do with? I'm going to tell you about the greatest cheese invention you've never heard of, Fromage Fort. It's a cheese spread made from literally whatever kind of cheese you have in your fridge, and some garlic and a little bit of wine, and it's delicious. Let's make it. Here's what you need: a food processor, about a pound of cheese, a half cup of white wine, and 3 garlic cloves, though you could totally double that if you wanted to. We have some blue cheese, some sharp cheddar, some Gruyere, which is one of my top 3 favorite cheeses, a bin of random things, I don't even know what they are, and then some shredded cheese. I think it's a mix of cheddars. But you can use soft cheese, you can literally use whatever you have. The combination turns out a little different every time, and it always works somehow. All you need to do is add your cheese to a food processor along with the garlic, and then you'll add some wine. I didn't measure this, we're just estimating. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have done up to 6, and it means strong cheese. It lives up to its name. Here's some blue cheese, which will help, but you can also broil it on some toast, and that tames down the strong flavor a bit. Okay, shredded variety of cheddars. I think this is Pecorino Romano. There. We have our cheese. We're going to add about a half a cup of white wine. I would use a dry wine. And then we pulse. You want to keep pulsing it until it's smooth, but not totally devoid of texture. So it still has a little bit of chunkiness to it. Now I have pepper and salt. You want to use a lot of black pepper in here. You probably don't need that much salt, depending on what kind of cheese you have. So I'm gonna blend in the pepper and then taste it before I add salt. Okay, we're gonna taste and then add some salt. I don't think it needs any salt at all. It's already very salty. So you can see it's just a spread made of many delicious cheeses and wine and garlic. What could be better? Delicious. Strong cheese. The best cheese thing you never knew about.
12 tomatoes.
Rolling. 2 to 3 garlic cloves. A big lump of knobs. It has the juice. Fromage Fort. And what are we doing? And we're gonna make it. Should I do another thing, or is that okay? And we'll save a little for me. Now I have pepper and salt. Whoa. 12 tomatoes. Good? We're good.